On today's episode of Let's Fit Some Stuff, I have a Kenmore 500 dryer, and it would heat up, but it wouldn't tumble. Initially, the problem, the symptom was it was making a real loud, just randomly out of nowhere. It just started making a as it would tumble. And so I was like, this isn't right. This part here, it's a Kenmore 500, so I got this kit from Parts Select. I put the link, but it comes with two rollers, two guides, two rollers. It has some pins that's gonna come with it, with four of these plastic clip pins, one push washer. You know, you just push and press it on there. It has the outer pulley. This right here, that just comes with it. It's not grease or anything on there. It's just a part of it. And then it has the belt. And so, turn the power off here. But the dryer is right here, so I'm just gonna pull it out, disconnect the power, and then get started. All right, if I can just reach this plug. All right, that was fun. We're gonna pull this lint trap because again, this is a Kenmore 500. So we're gonna pull this lint trap, and there's two screws here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna press in and pull forward. Just tilt, just slide the top forward to release those clamps. Then pull forward. So now we're in the drum. This is the belt, and as you can see, this belt is off track and loose. The ribs are going to go to the base of the belt. So now we need to release these screws here. Two screws are out, and they're 5/16 by the way. Now we're going to disconnect the door switch quick connector. There are two hooks on each side. It's going to be a hook right here and a hook right there that the door sits on. So we're going to pull the door up. While pulling the door up, we're going to hold the drum so it doesn't just fall out. We're going to support the drum while pulling the door up. I hope you guys can see this around. And just like that, just like that, we're going to set this to the side. We're going to use the belt. We're going to use the belt to hold the drum while we walk this out and set this over to the side as well. We have our motor here. We have our pulley here, and this pulley has played. It's done what it's going to do. But we have the feet. We have this lip and the feet here that's going to go into these grooves. And the way it sits, put this, it's going to sit in there, and then it's going to be pulled back tight here. The drum sits in this area, and the drum's going to sit on this roller and this roller. And you see, you have this pin here, and then this other pin. So we pull this pin back. We have this push washer here. Let me get the camera to zoom in. We have this push washer here with this other triangular, this plastic triangular washer, and there's gonna be one on the back as well. So I'm gonna get this cleaned up best I can, and then we are going to get this back going. But first, before I do that, because it's gonna be tight in this space, I'm gonna show you how the belt is going to be installed. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how this belt goes. Here's our new pulley right here, and it's going to fit here in these grooves. We're going to come down, and again, remember, your belt is going to go with the ribs to the base of the drum. Well, I shouldn't say base, but it's going to be to the drum. You're going to feed this here. Put the belt on the pulley. Come here, gonna hold there, and then while this is pulled tight, because when the drum is in here, you're gonna pull this tight, but the the belt is going to loop around the drum. So I'm just holding it there because the rest of this is going to be around the drum. Okay, pro tip. So if you're not sure how that quick washer works, what I did was I just put that on there and I drove it up with this 5/16. I just put it on there and I just gave it a nice gentle tap with my hand. So now I'm just checking the rollers. These are the new rollers. This one right here has more play, but this one right here is stationary. And like I said, these plastic tips, they go in, they fit in no problem. So now I'm going to go ahead and put my drum back in there. Then we just guide the drum back in. We're gonna place it right on the back where it houses it. And then we're gonna go under here. Come on. Spins. All right. Now we're gonna grab the door. Now we're just gonna do everything in reverse. We put the door on the latch. We put the screws in. Now we're going to reconnect the dry door switch. We're gonna bring the top back over. Make sure your cables are not in the way. Twist forward, snap back the dry vent. I don't want to do it, and I don't recommend y'all to do it. And we're gonna push her back, plug her in, and see what she say. And spin test. Thank you all for joining us on another exciting episode of Let's Fix Some Stuff.